In this video, I'm going to show you how you can clear or delete watch history on Netflix. Actually, doing this is pretty simple. If you find this video helpful, I'll kindly request that you support me by liking the video and also by subscribing to this channel. Alright, let's get into it. So the first thing you need to do is to log into your Netflix account and head over to your profile here. Under this, go ahead and click on Manage Profiles, and down below under Profiles, you should be able to see all the profiles that you have. Now, choose the profile under which you want to clear history. So for my case, I want to clear history under the first profile. From here, scroll down until you see View Activities. Here you are told Manage Viewing History and Ratings. So if you click on this, now you'll be taken to the history page. And here you can either hide all or download all. However, if you want to clear one by one or hide one by one, go ahead and just click on hide from viewing history, and that will be removed. You can see this has been removed. We are told within 24 hours, this episode will no longer appear in the Netflix service as a title you have watched and will no longer be used to make recommendation to you. And this will be so unless you watch it again. So that is if you want to clear or delete one by one. However, if you want to clear all the history, go ahead and click on hide all, and this will go ahead and ask you to confirm your selection. Proceed. Yes, hide all my viewing activity, and this will go ahead and clear all your viewing activities. So that's how you can clear watch history on Netflix. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching, and let's meet in the next video.